Welcome to another episode of Our Wandering Adventures, and in this episode we cruise the beautiful Litchfield National Park with its unbelievable waterfalls and picturesque hideaways. Sit back, relax and enjoy. Alright, here's another big bugger. He would probably be a bit higher than the other one, just maybe not even as good a nick. Although, jump in close, bud. Give you an idea, she's about 1.5.
1.63.
Sorry. She's easily 3 high of you. With your hands up, sure. So if that's the case, that's about 4.8.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Taller than me.
Is there any more through here? Let's get back. Let's get back to...
I'm sure we'll see plenty of them along the way. Amazing. Makes me feel really small. Yeah.
It's ironic that the things inside it are actually super small.
So many of those, is that just the camera in your water holder, or is that the whole one thing?
So this particular little patch, as a guess for depth, that would be 300 metres, maybe more. It's like a field of them, magnetic mounds, down mounds. I don't know the story behind them just yet. We'll find out about them. They just go all the way around. It's obviously been put up so that we keep it all, native or looked after. We'll see some more really big ones in a second. I think it just keeps going. If you look over here, those would probably be about 3.5, 3 to 3.5 metres high. It's pretty cool how the termites actually know. I don't know what the story is with the magnetic sun, but I'll put it up and I'll make that part out. It's a really big one just here, so we're hiding a little bit. That'll be about 3.5 metres high as well. Hopefully we'll get a clearer view. It looks like this one's hiding. It's reasonably clear. You can see it at the top there. But we're about to see some more that are on display in a second. Alrighty, we're in Litchfield National Park, and it's our first little stop at the termite mounds. Now this might seem a bit unimpressive to you. These things in the Northern Territory are huge, I mean huge. They're like statues. So we'll just check this sign down over here first and see what it says. G'day. Alright, I'm going to go for a quick walk. This is where they're all out in the open. Kind of like I said before, statues. I'm holding it this way so you sort of get a sense for it. Won't actually pan out. I don't know why I'm whispering, but you'll be able to see it in 3, 2, 1. Look at them. Now for context, say this one just here, that would be about 2.5 metres high. They're everywhere. magnetic mounds. Yeah, so according to the sign, this is over 50 years old. Yeah. I'm going to say that that's... How many of me high do you reckon that would be? 3? Nah. At this height? I'd say 3 of me high. I'm 1.8, so that's probably 4.5 metres high, I'd say.
Yeah.
Crazy. Yeah, the cathedral.
Are they still in there?
I don't know. I would say it's disused. I don't really know for sure. It's pretty cool how they sort of use stuff or cement to make it all work. It's unreal. Alright. Go and have a look at some of the other ones. Okay, so the official rub is that they are north to south, as opposed to east to west, so that there's always one side of the mound in the shade so that insects can move about it and actually stay cool, because obviously it's very hot places like this. So if they were to be east-west, basically either the morning or the afternoon they'd end up bloody cooking, but because they're aligned north to south, there's a side that's always in the shade. So we'll have a look at some really, really big ones coming up in a second. Alright, wee break done. Time for hiking. Buley Rockhole. Let's find out. So, we're in Litchfield. We have a map. How far is the walk? 0.33? Or no, that's how far we've gone.
Yeah. Remaining 54.54.
Okay.
It's not far.
Okay. Lower pools coming up. So, Talia, you will see a rockhole frog.
Yay!
And they hop on water.
Wow!
Looking forward to seeing. I don't know whether it's a little bit warm, who knows, but I don't feel like we'll see any rockhole frogs. But who knows? Hopefully if we see rockhole frogs we don't see any other native things that we don't really want to see. Alrighty, pond life. Spend some time enjoying the pools. We should see some beetles, water striders, diving beetles, heaps of fish. Should be fun. Now considering it's what did I say, 38, probably 36 here at the moment. It's still going to be bloody amazing. Fresh is what I'm thinking. Almost there, I hope. Because now it's about 38 again. Problem being right next to water is that super humid. Still fun though. One of those inch your way in ones. Ooh. 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 Oh. You find a little spot?
Yeah.
You don't like it, do you? Yeah. I reckon here is perfect. Who cares about shade for your bag? You have to get in real quick. Oh wow, hot feet. I mean, oh my goodness. That was just unreal. This is definitely worth it. Even on being pulled over. Nice. So this is Buley Rockhole. Around the corner is obviously Florence Falls, and we're staying at, where are we staying tonight? Sandy Creek. So,
but we're gonna go from here
to Florence Falls,
just to Florence Falls, and then
Sandy Creek for the night, and then we'll pick somewhere else tomorrow. This place is an oasis, that's for sure. It's again like a lot of the places we've seen in the Northern Territory. They don't really look like much when you come in here into the sea. You sort of think, well, maybe it's just because people are hot, but this is pretty cool. Buley Rockhole. Look that one up. Northern Territory, Litchfield National Park. Alrighty, that was a cool little. Water. The shot should go. Oh.
do a time.
Alright, give me the lowdown on Buley Rockhole.
Well, it's warm.
It's pretty warm,
The
eh?
water.
How would you rate it compared to Catherine Hot Springs?
Oh, it's not that warm.
So Catherine Hot Springs was warmer than
Was
that?
thermal. Yeah, the hot springs was thermal.
But it wasn't super warm, I
This
didn't
is
think.
just hot because it's been travelling over.
Oh yeah, hot rocks, yeah,
Like
of course.
hot
It's not a
rocks.
spring, that's a good point.
No.
But considering it was like, well, at the top of the hill it's 38 degrees. It's probably cooler down next to the water, but more humid, I reckon. But like if you're travelling through this way,
It's a
are you
nice,
coming here again?
nice little stop.
Would you come here again?
Yeah.
Yeah. Buley Rockhole. Alright, so instead of walking down to Florence Falls, we got good advice to just drive. There's how many? 1.4? 1.6? 1.7. Which meant that it would have been 3.4 in total, so it's like, yeah, no. So, Florence Falls, coming up. Yeah, oh wow. Florence Falls. Yeah. Wow.
Okay, let's see if I can get in or not.
Rock?
I found a rock. Oh.
probably only got one more bit of film left before this goes a bit flat, so...
Okay, we'll just do some good filming like of everything now and then we'll turn her up. Are you?
Hold that for a sec.
Are you filming?
I am. Just get some good film while I'm just trying like wetting me from my screen on my thing.
Can I swim up?
Yeah, go if you want. Before we go flat, let's go anyway. Okay, Wangi Falls, Litchfield National Park.
41-minute loop.
Alright, we've travelled just over 4,000 kilometres and I actually think I might have the spot of the trip so far. Like, that's a big call, Talia, but I reckon this is the spot, right? I don't really know how to describe this one with words, so I'm just going to do this pan and just tell you this would have to be one of the best views really I've seen in a long time. Look at that. Oh, the top there. Wow. That's just spectacular. Jump in, there's no easy way. Just do it. It's not deep, which is good.
Oh, I was going to say I can touch.
Wow. It's getting deeper though. Alrighty. Random Monday afternoon. Litchfield National Park. Swimming up to the waterfall at Wangi Falls. Tell me that's not spectacular.
Come up this way.
Can I walk through here? Not really. My glasses. It's recording now, so you can just take it and swim over and then look up.
Well. I'll just put that in my hand. I'm going in.
Not that. Just give me a GoPro. That was just me. It's even more spectacular, but in a whole different way. Rock coming up with me. We're definitely going to go around and...
Woo! Where are ya?
Just here. This is pretty much heaven.
Yeah, let's take it. Let's
This
try
could
and
absolutely
spin
be
out of the
our
sun.
life. Oh, okay.
Yay. Look how...
Huh?
Oh, up your nose.
Alright. You know that's going to knock us off, right?
Yay.
How about that?
Oh, so good.
Just tap it.
So we're here. It's so good.
I feel like we've travelled a long way just to get here.
Yeah, now we
So
just
first, like, just chill.
beautiful.
I'm gonna go swim over into it.
Oh, this is
Warm or no?
really warm. The kids are probably being weeing in it.
Yeah. Could it be?
I don't know. I'm not touching the bottom. No.
Come over here.
I just said, I'm going to touch.
Hold on. Yep, you're up.
Yeah. So pretty.
And then if we can go like this, it just drops straight away. Unbelievable.
Oh. Wow, this is the spot, isn't it?
And so you were saying something about going home?
Yeah. Not going home.
No. Keeping out of the rocks this here.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Staying in Australia on the castle, right? How's the serenity?
Really nice.
Oh dear. I reckon that'd be an incredible tour. That would be incredible in the morning.
Yeah, wouldn't it?
Although it might be a little bit cool, eh? This would be a totally different colour though, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Hey! I'm gonna get finishing. Yeah, that's right.
Where are you heading next? I'm going to tomorrow. Oh yeah.